Good morning all. Welcome to MBM classes. Hope you would have seen the previous videos, that is the multiplication tricks. Let us continue those tricks. Here the case 1 is, we are going to take two numbers such that where the unit place, that is the sum of the units place is 10 and the digits before that all same. So this point you have to remember, sum of the units place is 10 and the digits before that are same. This is case 1. Here if you are going to observe in 38 into 32, units place are 8 and 10, where sum of 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. And the tens digits, that is the digits before the units place are same. Here both are 3 and 3. Considering 81 into 89, again 9 plus 1 is 10. The digit before the units place are also same. Here also 116 into 114. 6 plus 4 is 10. And the digits before the units place, that is both 11, are same. Last one, 67 into 63. Sum of units place is 10. And the digits before the units place, that is in both the conditions, they are 6. Let us learn the trick how to multiply these two numbers when we have such cases. So 38 into 32. So first we are going to multiply 3 into 2. That is 16. Next, here if it is 3, we will multiply by the next consecutive number. What is the consecutive number for 3? It is 4. After 3 we are getting 4. So we are going to multiply 3 into 4. So if you want, you can write like this, 3 into 4. So this will be equal to 3 4s are 12 and 1 6 already we got. So our answer is 1 2 1 6. Moving on to the next number, 1 into 9. So since there should be two digits, I will be writing 0 9. Next, what is next number after 8? It is 9. So I will be multiplying 8 into 9. So my answer will be 7209. Third one, 6 4s are 24. Next, 11 multiplied by 12. So 11 multiplied by 12 is 132. So my answer is 13224. Moving on to the next digit. Next number, 67 into 63. 7 3s are 21 and 6 into 7 is 42. So my answer is 4221. Hope you understood this trick, where the sum of the unit place is 10 and the digit before the unit place, that is 10. It can be tens place or hundreds place also. Both should be same. In this case, it is both are 3. Here you are having tens place and hundreds place are same. Here also tens place and hundreds place are same. That is, the digit before the unit place should be same. Moving on to case 2. The sum of the tens place is 10 and the unit digits are same. It is the exact reverse condition of case 1. Here if you are going to observe, the tens place is 7 and 3. So 7 plus 3 is 10 and the sum unit place is same. Here also 6 first number, second number also unit place is same. So in this case, let us see how to do the trick. 6 6 are 36. Next, here we are going to do a little change, that is 7 3s are 21, but we are going to add one unit place, that is 6. So my answer will be 2736. Moving on to the second one, 7 7s are 49. Next, 6 4s are 24, but we will be adding 7 over here because unit place is 7. So this is equal to 3149. Next one, 9 9s are 81. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 9. So this will be equal to 3081. Next, 5 5s are 25. Next, 8 2s are 16 plus add the unit place, which is equal to 2125. Last one, 3 3s are 9. If it's 9, write 09. Next, 6 4s are 24. Add the unit place 3. This is equal to 24 plus 3 is 2709. Understood the tricks we are done in case 1 and case 2. Now let us move on to the next trick, how to square a number between 1 to 1000. So now we are going to square the number between 1 to 1000. First one is 34 whole square. So please observe, first last column will be 4 into 4. So 4 into 4 will be equal to 16. And the first column will be here 3 into 3, which will be equal to 9. And the middle column will be 3 into 4 into 2. So if you are going to write the answers now, 16 here, 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24 and 9. But don't forget to add the carry. So if you are going to add the carry here, you will be getting 6. Now 4 plus 1 will be 5. Now again add 2 to 9, so it will become 11. So my answer will be 1156. Second one, 2 square will be 2 into, now I am going to do directly. 2 square will be 4, 7 square will be 49. In the middle it will be 7 into 2 into this 2. So I will be getting 4, 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 49. So final answer 4, 8, take the carry, 9 plus 2 is 11. So 5184. So my answer is 5184. Here my answer is 1156. Next one, last column, 7 square is 49. First column, 6 square is 36. Middle one, 6 into 7 into 2. 6 into 7 into 2. So this is 49 for 9. This will be equal to 6 sevens are 42. 42 into 2 will be 84. So let me write the answer, final answer here. It will be 9, carry, plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Again I am going to take 8 over here. So 8 plus 6 is 14. 3 plus 1 is 4. So my final answer is 4489. Hope you understood this method. Now the last one. Since I am having 6, 24, 3 digits, I am going to take the last two digits together. So here 4 into 4 will be 16. 62 multiplied by 62 will be 3844. And in the middle column, 62 into 4 into 2. 62 into 4 into 2 will give me 496. Finally, let us add the carries. So if you want, you can underline the carries by or circle the carries by red pen 1. So 49 is a carry and here you can add it directly. So final answer will be, so here I will be having 6. When 1 is added over to 6, it will become 7. Now 49 added to 3844 will give me 3893. So this will become, when I add this, I will be getting 3893. Hope you understood this. So my final answer will be 389376. You can try with some more numbers also, this method. This method is very useful for you to do it orally. Now let us move on to a trick to multiply 3-digit number by another 3-digit number. For this, please follow the steps I am going to follow. Step 1. In the first sum, you will feel difficult. As you practice, it will be very easy for you. In the first step, we are going to do only 4 into 4. That is the last line. So 4 into 4 will be 16. In the step 2, we are going to multiply, that is 2-digit multiplication. Already you have learned how to these two you are going to take. So 3 4s are 12, 4 2s are 8. So it is 20. So in second line you are going to write 20. So step 3 will be equal to, now I am going to take all the 3 digits together. So listen to it, how I am going to do it. So 4 2s are 8 plus 1 4 is 4 plus 3 2s are 6. So this will be equal to 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 6 18. So my third line will be 18. Now moving on to the fourth one. Now all the digits are over. Now I will be omitting this 4 last column. I will be omitting 4 and 4 will be omitted. I will be doing only 2 3 and 1 2. So 2 3 and 1 2, you know already how to do. 2 3s are 6. This is step 4. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. So now you'll do the middle column. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 3, 7. So it is, sorry, we'll be doing only the 2, 3 and 1. 2, 3 into 1, 2 will be, just do the cross multiplication. 2 2s are 4, 3 into 1, 3, 4 plus 3, 7. So you can write 0, 7. And the last, step 5 already it is a last column multiplication. 2 into 1 down arrow, that is 2 into 1 is 2. Now let us add the carries. So last digit will be 6. Here we are going to add 0 plus 1, so it will be 1. Again 2 is added, 18 plus 2 will be 20, 0 you are going to keep it over here and going to add 2 over here plus 2, 2 plus 7 is 9 and the final one is 2. So my answer is 29016 is my answer. So let us move on to the second example so that you can understand it very clearly. So now let us start with the number 725 multiplied by 126. First step I am going to do 5 6 are 30. So now I'll write it in the last column 30. Next we will do this 4 numbers. 2 6 are 12 plus 5 2s are 10. So it is 22. So I'll write 22 over here. Next I will take all the 3 columns. All the 3 by 3 numbers. So you can do orally. 7 6 are 42. 1 into 5, 5. 2 2s are 4. So if I add 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 4, 11 and it is 51. So here I am getting 51. Next, leave this. I told once all the digits are completed, now I am going to leave this. I will be doing only this one now. So you can block it like this. So you can do 7 2s are 14 plus 2. So it is 16. Next, last one is this. 7 1s are 7. So, if all the digits are completed, let us add the carry. So, you will be having 0 here. So, you will be adding plus 3. So, 22 plus 3 is 25. Again 51, 16, 7. Now, 0, 5, add carry. So, it will be 53, 16, 7. 0, 5, 3, add the carry. 21, 7. Now again 0, 5, 3, add the carry, 4. So again add the carry, 9. Sorry, carry is already added. So this we added already. So it is 7 plus 2, 9. So my answer is 91350. While you are adding the carry, you look into it, you are being more extra careful in adding the carry. So hope you understood this method. It's very easy. This we can follow for n by n digits also. Once you complete all, you can leave 1 by 1, 5, 6. Next, after completing these 4 digits, I am going to leave 2 by 2. Now these 2 and 2. Next, we are going to the last one. So in this way, we can proceed for n by n digits. So let me give you another example for 4 by 4 digits so that you will understand that we can follow this type for n by n digits. Let me do one more 3 by 3 digit number so that you can understand it very clearly. First I am going to do 1 by 1, that is 3 3s are 9. Next, one digit is over, so I will take 2 digits. 6 3s are 18, 5 3s are 15. So my answer is 33. For 33 I will be writing 3 over here and 3 carry at the top. Next, 3 digits I have to take, so 1 into 3, 1 into 3, 6 5s are 30. So my answer will be 36. So I'll be writing 6 over here and carry 3. Now all the digits are over. So I'll eliminate the last column. Now I'll move on to this 1 into 5 5, 1 into 6 6. So 6 plus 5 is 11. For 11 I'll be writing 1 here and 1 carry. Now again these 4 digits are over, so I have to move. I have to eliminate this. I'll take only 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. Now I'll write 9. So I'll write 3. 6 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 1, 4. 1 plus 1, 2. So you can learn this also. If you are writing going to above like this, you can add the carry directly instead of following too many steps. This you can do it very easily. After 2-3 sums, if you are going to practice this method, you can follow it very easily, writing carry at the top. Now let me take 4 by 4 digits. I'm going to do. I'm not going to write too many steps. Slowly I'm going to do so that you can understand. First I will do 5 2s are 10. So I'll write 0 over here and 1 carry. Okay. Next I will be taking 2 digits. So 4 2s are 8. 6 5s are 30. So my answer is 38. So I'll write 8 here and 3 carry. Okay. Next I had to take 3 by 3 digits. So 3 2s are 6. 4 5s are 20. 6 4s are 24. So my answer is 50. So I'll write 0 over here and 5 carry. Next I had to take 4 by 4 digits. For taking 4 by 4 digits, understand the logic. 2 2s are 4. 3 5s are 15. Now 3 6s are 18. 4 4s are 16. Add 14, 19, 23. So carry 2. So it will be 53. For that I will write 3 over here and 5 carry. Now all the digits are over. So I will be eliminating 5 and 2. So now we are having 3 by 3. So you multiply 6 2s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So it is 36. I will write 6 over here and 3 carry. Now all the 3 digits are over. So I will eliminate 4 and 6. I will move on to 2 by 2. 2 4s are 8. 3 3s are 9. So 8 plus 9 is 17. So I will write 7 and carry 1. So now I will eliminate 3 and 4. I will move on to last single digit, that is 3 2s are 6. So now let us add the carries. 0. 8 plus 1 9. 0 plus 3 3. 3 plus 5 8. 6 plus 5 11. Again 1 carry. So 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 7 11. Again 1 carry. So 6 plus 2 8. You can multiply and check the answer whether you are getting this right answer. So hope you understood this method where you can follow this multiplication for n number of digits. Instead of writing so many columns and then adding, you can follow this method. So let me give you one more example. So let us take the last number 1 2 3 4 multiplied by 4 2 3 1. So let us start. First one, 4 1s are 4. Now you are going to take 4 numbers. 3 1s are 3 plus 4 3s are 12, which is equal to 15. So I will write 5 over here, carry 1. Now I will take 3 numbers. 2 1s are 2, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 2 is 19. So I will write 9 over here and carry 1. Now I will take 4 numbers. 1 into 1 1. 4 4s are 16. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. So 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 6 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. So it is 29. I will write 9 over here and 2 carry. Now this will be omitted. Let us see the remaining numbers. 1 into 3 3. 4 3s are 12. 2 2s are 4. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. So it is 90. So I will write 9 over here and carry 1. Now this will be deleted. Next is 2 by 2 numbers. 1 into 2 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So I will write 0 and 1 carry. So again this is deleted. Now last one, 4 into 4 is 4 into 1 is 4. So now let us add the carries. 4 5 9 plus 1 10. So add carry 1 over here. 9 plus 2 11. Add carry 9 plus 3 12. Add carry 1 plus 1 2. Add the carry 4 plus 1 5. So my answer is 5221054. You can check your answer in your calculator also and find the difference of sweets by doing the normal method and by this method. You can understand the trick. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.